National Academic Depository Guided Tour. Welcome to National Academic Depository. NAD provides easy steps to publish digital records on DigiLocker. Here you can find the CSV data formats for all type of awards. Click the drop-down and select the record type that you wish to upload. Select the record type of your need. Refer guidelines document from resource section for data preparation. Once the desired record is selected, hit the download button. Here you will find year-wise and doc type options to upload your student award data. Select the asked details, enter the year of exam and select the record type. Once the record type is selected, locate the zip file and check Verify CSV records. Once zip file gets uploaded, then system show the status of the upload with file structure. Check on the Verify CSV record and hit the Next button. Random 5 records with basic information shown, you can verify one by one. Once all 5 records get validated, click the Submit button. Verify the award data that got imprinted on the template and click View Next. Click View Next until all 5 records are verified and hit the Finish button. Note, you may even save copy of the preview-ed certificate by clicking the Download button. Maximum of 5 random at a time records are presented for your verification. Verify all the records to continue. You will be prompted with a success message followed by a redirection to Upload Status section. Latest upload will be shown on top with its status. Upload gets completed when the queue is processed. It is an automatic process. Here, you can check the status of your uploaded file. Publish your uploaded records by clicking on Publish. Here you will select your year of passing from the calendar. Publish your selected records. Here you will select a template for specific course/session or year. Here you will select the year/session/course name to set a template. You can set a unique template for a specific course. Select your preferred language for your template. As per the language selection, a template is shown in Hindi. Here you will choose to hide/show the fields in this template. Select the year of passing. Upload your image in JPG or JPEG and PNG format. Let you add more photos to your previously created image folders. Here you can see the photos library. Here you can upload a photo and check the status of your uploaded file.